What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P back with another video. First off, welcome to my channel Sean P TV. In today's video, I'm doing a review of the Brio Beardscape. So this is kind of more of an unboxing slash review video, even though I've had this product for almost a year. So we'll go over what comes in the Brio Beardscape. Of course, it's the Brio Beardscape itself. Let me turn it on to demonstrate how it sounds. And that's how it sounds on its highest speed. And this is what it sounds like on its lowest speed. So I'm gonna turn it off because I don't want to hear that tremor of the whole video. But on its lowest speed, that's 50 RPMs. On its highest, it's 70 RPMs per minute, revolutions per minute. Don't quote me on that. I don't think that's what that means, but as you can see by the display, shows you how many RPMs, and it shows you how much runtime you have before you have to charge it up again. On its lowest, I got 83 minutes left. On its highest, let me turn it back on. On its highest, I think I have like maybe 23 minutes left. Takes 3 hours to fully charge, but once it's fully charged, you're good for 3 hours on its highest speed. And I believe it's 240 minutes on its lowest, which you do not have to charge this very often, which I think is convenient, and I like it because, yeah, you don't have to charge it very often. So once you charge it at one time, I've only charged this once since I've had it, and I've had this for almost a year. And that tells you, first off, that it doesn't really take that much to really trim your beard with this. And I don't know anybody that trims their beard for 3 hours unless you just have one of them beards that go down to the ground, but that's how it sounds. So ceramic blade, and that's on its closest setting, which is, I believe, is 1.3 millimeters, and on its lowest setting is 1.3, and right now it's set on 1.9 millimeter. So that's not going to get super close, as you can see by that, the guard and the blade, ceramic blade, which ceramic blades last a little bit longer than metal blades. But that's the Brio Beardscape itself. Ergonomically designed, fits great in the hand, especially if you got big hands like me. Fits great for me. So, but also you get the clipper guards, which is the 0.8, well, not 0.18, 18 millimeter, 15 millimeter guard. The 9 millimeter, 12 millimeter guard. The 3 millimeter, 6 millimeter guard. The 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter guard. As you can see by these guard sizes, that just tells you how much hair is going to take off. This is going to get super close, like stubble-like. Also, you get the charge station and the charging outlet. And I'll show y'all what it looks like when it is sitting on the charging stand. And this is pretty much what it looks like when it's upright in the stand. Looks great on the bathroom counter because it doesn't like take up a lot of space, and it keeps you it keeps your bathroom counter clean. So what else comes in the box? I have the brush that cleans off clean off the clipper with. I'll show y'all. Clean off, the brush, get all that hair off, of course. And it comes with clipper oil. I left it in the bathroom, but it comes with clipper oil, so that way you can keep the blades lubricated, so that they don't maintain the clipper, so it doesn't go bad. Also, what else? The product registration, all that. And I believe it says on there, if you register You get 10% off your next purchase with Brio. And Brio, they make trimmers as well as like toothbrushes. I think that's all they make. I don't know their like full product line. I have to look it up, but that's what comes in the Brio Beardscape. So let's go over the price, which I can't really tell you the price right off the bat because I actually forgot how much I actually paid for it. So I'm going to look it up right now. I believe I did not pay no more than $70 for it, but we can look it up right now. Brio Beardscape. And now we're going to do all these notifications now. Brio Beardscape. And we're going to look up possibly the cheapest price that I can find it for. And it has it for $72 on here, but the cheapest I see is $66.95. So, and I'll let y'all look at that on my cracked iPhone, but y'all can see $66.95. So that's the cheapest I see on here. And I wish this thing was set up, but it's supposed to be muted. But and also they have like a you know, if you get it on Amazon, get it the next day. I don't know how impatient you are when it comes to getting stuff in the mail, but I kind of want my stuff like now, like the JG Wentworth commercial. I want my stuff now. So but that's the price. The performance of it, it worked relatively well. Like I only use it really to kind of clean up around here, my cheek lines and under here. And I will give y'all, like, I can't really see what I'm doing. But I trimmed earlier, and this is on it's not really gonna get super close because I don't have it all the way set. But I can't really like show y'all what's going on right now. I'm just showing y'all like live action of the Brio Beardscape. So I can't really actually show y'all like unless I was to take this into the bathroom, actually see what I'm doing. So but it pretty much, the performance of it worked relatively well. Like I haven't really used this too much because about up to 2 months ago, I was in the process of growing a beard, so I wasn't really trimming my beard too much. So I actually held off on using this for a couple months just to let my beard grow. But once I, opened it up and started trimming, and I noticed that it worked relatively well. I have not used this on my head yet, of course, because I am trying to grow out dreads. And I have not used this on body hair, but I'm quite sure that I can actually demonstrate that. It works on body hair, like shave the knuckles or whatever. Or actually, you know what? I can demonstrate that now. It doesn't really work good on body hair. And this is as close as it's gonna get, trimming around that tattoo. So it's going to trim. It's going to do what it's supposed to do. So I needed to trim around this, keep that hair off my tattoo. And you're probably wondering, oh man, you use your body hair. That's how versatile the product is. You can use it on body hair, your beard, and your head hair. You just have to clean out the blades, of course. And that's pretty much the performance of it. Now, pros, the charge, it lasts forever. That's one of the pros. The pros, it lasts forever. Comes with different clipper blades. Or not clipper blades, I mean clipper guards. And the 5 different speeds, that's convenient because you're getting ready in the morning. You kind of want to keep quiet while getting ready. And that's just pretty much it. Another pro, it's ergonomically designed. It fits your hand relatively well. My only con with the Brio Beardscape, and I don't know if this has happened to anybody else that owns these. Sometimes when you're bringing the blade up and down, it gets kind of stuck sometimes. I don't know if it's me and me needing to maintain it a little bit better, but sometimes the blade will stay stuck. Like you'll go up and it'll stay on that low setting. So that's my only con with it. But other than that, it's a great product, and I highly recommend this, especially if you have a beard out there. I don't really recommend it for, you know, body hair and all that stuff, even though I just demonstrated that you can trim it. You can use it to trim your body hair, and it got it relatively close. That's some like smooth like a baby's butt right there. But other than that, I highly recommend it. Like I said, my only con with it is the blade going up and down. Sometimes it'll stay stuck. Fairly affordable, as I've shown on Amazon, that you can get it the cheapest, $66.95, and it also has it for $72, which I don't know anybody that's gonna spend $6 extra to get it when it is showing for $6 less. So if you got Amazon Prime, you get it next day. I highly recommend it. If you can put it in your budget or fit in your budget, highly recommend the trimmer. It does what it's supposed to do. I just really been mainly using it on my cheek line and under here. I haven't really been going kind of like really into the beard, even though I did use it to really do a massive trim, like trim it really low. But I'm trying to really grow out my beard as much as it possibly can grow. And no, I'm not growing a beard. It's just I want to see how big it grows. But that is my review of the Brio Beardscape. I give it 5 stars, 2 thumbs up, and that is from Beard Times with Scotty. If you do not know who that is, YouTube him, Google him, it'll pop up. But that's his signature thing. So I give it 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, highly recommend it. And with that, I'm out. Peace. Cut the camera off, Sean. Y'all need to get the Brio Beardscape, man. Cop that.